it's Neil, and I am here in the family room or living room or whatever. Probably the dining room is what this is. And I have these here. Look at this. So I have the AirTags. If you know me, you know I have a million AirTags. Like if you look at this one here, it says like NDR 11, I think. So this is like 11, but I really even have more. And so I'm putting these on everything. I've got them on every keychain. I've got them on, even the dogs have them on their collars. And pretty much everybody gets a tag so we can track where everything is so we can find it. So, but sometimes you have something and you can't put a keychain on it or something like that. So there's this thing here, and look at this. So this is like a little rubber deal, and it comes with 2 white ones and 2 black ones, and then it's got a sticker on it, and you can sticker it on, and then the AirTag fits inside there. So let's see how it fits, and it fits actually really good. So if you have, I don't know, a book or a journal or something like that that you wanted to make sure you could track, you could just stick it in there and put the sticker on it and put it on that. You could put it on a book. You could put it on, I mean, my backpack, I have a little keychain on, but pretty much on anything. I mean, like our remote control would be great to put it on there. So you could just stick it on the remote control so you can always find your remote. You could find pretty much anything you need to find, put a tag on. I'll probably put a tag on every single item I own so you can find everything. How ridiculous will that be? But I mean, just stuff that you always find, you put in the drawer and you can never find again. I mean, I might even put one of these on my passport because I have the hardest time. I always end up forgetting where I put my passport when I go on a trip. I have to look for it. So this thing is like the greatest thing because it comes with a little sticker on the back, and you get 2 black ones, 2 white ones, and it even comes with extra stickers. So if you screw up sticking it on the first time, you can stick it on again. So I mean, this is like super cool. I mean, I know AirTags aren't the cheapest things ever, but these are super inexpensive. So I'm gonna say super thumbs up for me for this. Can't wait to go stick it on some stuff. And maybe I'll even stick one on my car so that if someone stole my car, I could even find it. How cool is that? I mean, it's just everything. Or on the bicycle, I ride bikes, or my skateboard. You can put them on anywhere. You just put them in a discrete location and you'll be able to find where it is. So I would just say this is like great for anything that might get stolen. So thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick them up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also I wanna say another thing. This video, the light I'm using is on my Coleman tripod. How sweet is that? I mean, just so cool. I got this tripod that has a light on it and it's super easy to use. And I said, okay, the next video I make, I'm gonna be using it. And I am using it, and see, it lights up my face, even though there's so much light in the background. When I made the video, even just showing this thing, it was, my face was all dark because I didn't have it. So thumbs up for that. But okay, be sure and pick up some of these little silicone sticker things for your AirTags, and you're golden. Thanks for watching, bye.